Good afternoon, White Nation. Jason Dowdy here. Just getting ready for my next open house, kind of relaxing. You know, I'm sitting here in the living room looking out the bay window, looking at George Lake, thinking, this is pretty cool. I'd look good in this house. So what we've got here, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, got a nice little shop in the back, kind of a smaller pole barn, but hey, it's a little man cave. I like it. So it's a 2-car garage, heated. You got 2 bedrooms on the main level. You got 2 bedrooms on the lower level. It's got a sunroom, which is huge, and I like it. So we're gonna have an open house here this evening from 4:30 to 6. If you can't make that, we're gonna have another open house on Saturday from 10 to 11:30. So this home is kind of one of those must-sees. There's not a lot of homes for sale in the New London Spicer market area, but we'd love to show you this property or find another one for you. So give us a call. Love to open your door to bigger dreams. Jason Dowdy, White Realtors, Tower Properties.